robot so that I don't, I've got a bad back and I don't want to bend over and solder it, so I'm going to make a machine that does it for me. So it goes up and down on rails quite lazily. Now the problem is making a wire feeder, so here you go. I've got this wheel with a little groove in it that I cut with the heat of a soldering iron. Now that's just a pressure wheel that's going to sit on this, which is a raw plug with some glue gun on it, glue on it, glued to a little bit of MDF, and this wheel's going to press on it, and that's going to rotate and feed the wire in. And it's nice and round, it doesn't get stuck, it seems smooth, but we'll see. So for gears, I've got an old shaving thing with right, I'll unplug it.